Hey, just leave it to the PE pros.
Would You Rather Mystery Edition! How to play. This is going to be crazy. 2 choices will appear. One's going to be a mystery. Pick the option you know, or choose the mystery box and then complete the exercise for the option you chose. Would you rather play with Play-Doh or get whatever's in the mystery box? It's jump in a tub of slime. Would you rather play on the monkey bars or get whatever is in the mystery box? It's Pet a Puppy. Would you rather sing at a concert or open the mystery box? It's a new pair of shoes. Would you rather jump rope or open the mystery box? Oh no, it's worms for hair. Would you rather play in the creek or open a mystery box? Drum roll, please. You got a roller coaster. What about this? Would you rather be able to fly or open a mystery box? It can't be. It's Mr. Cummins. Would you rather watch the sunset or open the mystery box? Oh wow, you just got your favorite candy. Would you rather make your teacher a homemade card or open this mystery box? Oh, no shot. It's forks for hands. Weird. And finally, would you rather watch a movie or open this mystery box? You better pack your suitcase because you just want a trip to the beach. Hey, thank y'all for playing. If you haven't already, make sure you check out our merchandise. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.